This assembly video will guide you through the installation of the Secretlab MAGNUS vertical monitor stand and two included monitor arms. Make sure you have all the parts and tools ready for the assembly. Before you begin, set your MAGNUS Pro to its lowest height. Open the rear cover of the MAGNUS desk. Mount the clamp on the inside edge of the cable tray opening and slide it to your desired position. Using the M5 hex side of the included screwdriver, tighten the two top screws of the clamp by turning clockwise. Do not over-tighten. Your monitor arms should be positioned on opposite sides of the vertical monitor stand. Do not position them on the same side. To install the first MAGNUS monitor arm, start by removing the connector plug at the top slot of the vertical monitor stand. Insert the connector into the slot along with the connector screw. Tighten the connector screw by turning clockwise. Next, insert the bottom arm into the connector. Tighten the thumb screw on the connector by turning clockwise. Insert the upper arm into the bottom arm. Tighten the thumb screw on the bottom arm by turning clockwise. Repeat these steps to install the second MAGNUS monitor arm. Align the mounting holes on the VISA plate with the mounting holes on your monitor. Using the M3 hex side of the included screwdriver, secure the plate with the 4 VISA screws provided. If the VISA mounting points are recessed, use the included standoff screws when installing the VISA plate. Lift your monitor and slide the VISA plate into the VISA mount on the upper arm. You should hear a click when the plate locks in place. If the arm rises on its own, use the included M5 Allen key to reduce the tension by turning the adjustment screw counterclockwise. Detach the magnetic cable guides from each arm. Connect power and display cables to your monitor by routing them through the built-in cable channels. Slot the cables into the magnetic cable guides and reattach them to the base of each arm. For cables routed from monitors in the upper row, secure them to the back of the vertical monitor stand using the included magnetic cable sheath. Close the cable tray when complete. Hold the sides of your monitor to adjust it to the desired position. Your Secretlab MAGNUS vertical monitor stand is now ready for use. If you'd like to expand your setup, the Secretlab single monitor arm with connector add-on lets you add up to 2 extra monitors to your setup. Easily configure your monitors for portrait or landscape viewing. Stack them vertically, place them side by side, or position them in an efficient 2x2 grid for the ultimate viewing experience.